The wait is almost over, folks. The GoPro Max 2 is officially in the works, and leaks are pouring in. If you're a fan of action-packed, immersive 360-degree footage, this might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. But what's new? And is it worth upgrading from the original GoPro Max or switching from competitors like Insta360? Stick around as we dive into all the leaks, rumors, and official hints surrounding the GoPro Max 2. All right, let's get into it. GoPro's original Max launched back in 2019, and while it was a groundbreaking 360-degree camera at the time, it wasn't without its flaws. Fast forward to today, and the competition has seriously upped the game. From Insta360's 8K video to Ricoh's sleek designs, the pressure is on for GoPro to deliver big with the Max 2. Luckily, thanks to a series of leaks from reliable sources like Quadro News, we now have a clearer picture of what the Max 2 might look like. And, spoiler alert, it's shaping up to be a major upgrade. First off, let's talk about the design. Based on the leaked images, the GoPro Max 2 is keeping the rounded lens design, which is key for capturing that seamless 360-degree field of view. But what's really catching everyone's attention is the ribbed body. Now, this isn't just a cool design choice, it's likely a functional one. Overheating was a huge issue with the original Max, especially during long recording sessions or in hot environments. This new ribbed texture could be part of an improved cooling system, which would mean better performance and reliability. If you're someone who loves capturing epic, extended adventures, this could be a game changer. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: competition. Since 2019, brands like Insta360 have set the bar high with features like 8K video recording at 60 FPS. So how will GoPro respond? Rumors suggest the Max 2 might aim for 5.7K or even 6K video at higher frame rates, which would keep it competitive. But resolution isn't the only thing that matters. GoPro needs to nail low-light performance, something the original Max struggled with. If they can combine high resolution with better performance in tricky lighting, that could really make the Max 2 shine. Another subtle yet significant upgrade? The small display beneath the lens. While the original Max already had a screen for previewing shots and tweaking settings, there's speculation that the Max 2 might enhance this feature. Maybe a higher resolution display? Or even touch functionality? We'll have to wait for official confirmation, but it's definitely something to keep an eye on. One of the most exciting rumors is the possibility of a modular design. Imagine being able to swap out lenses for different shooting scenarios, or attach accessories to boost audio quality or durability. If this is true, it could make the Max 2 one of the most versatile action cameras on the market. Think about it. Whether you're vlogging, shooting extreme sports, or just capturing memories, you could customize the camera to suit your needs perfectly. Of course, all this speculation brings us to the big question. Should you upgrade? If you're still rocking the original GoPro Max and feeling limited by overheating or low-light struggles, the Max 2 could be a worthy investment. And for those new to 360-degree cameras, this could be the perfect starting point, especially if you're already a fan of the GoPro ecosystem. But let's not forget the competition. Insta360, for example, already offers some amazing features, so pricing will play a huge role. Early rumors suggest the Max 2 might land in the $500–600 range, which is in line with other high-end 360-degree cameras. So, there you have it. Everything we know so far about the GoPro Max 2. With improved cooling, potential modularity, and upgraded features, it's shaping up to be an exciting release. But what do you think? Will GoPro's newest offering be enough to take the crown in the 360-degree camera world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Among the upcoming heavyweights in the 360 camera market, there's one name that's been buzzing everywhere: the Insta360 X5. Could this be the ultimate game changer for enthusiasts and professionals alike? With DJI's Osmo 360 gearing up to enter the fray and GoPro's long-awaited Max 2 still shrouded in mystery, the Insta360 X5 has a real shot at redefining the competition. But what makes it so special? Let's break down the leaks, rumors, and features to see if this is the 360 marvel we've been waiting for. The 360 camera industry is hotter than ever. With GoPro's dominance being tested, Insta360 has been steadily carving its niche. Their X-series cameras are praised for innovative designs and robust performance, but with competition heating up, the X5 has some big shoes to fill. So how does it stack up? At the heart of any camera lies its sensor. Rumors suggest the Insta360 X5 will feature a 1-inch sensor, a groundbreaking leap for 360 cameras. This upgrade promises superior light sensitivity, sharper images, and incredible low-light performance. For context, the current X4 already stuns with 72-megapixel 360-degree photos. Imagine what a better sensor could mean: higher resolution, reduced noise, and vivid details that push the boundaries of visual storytelling. Insta360's signature elongated design isn't just about aesthetics. It's functional. The X5 is rumored to refine this ergonomic design, making it easier to handle during intense shoots. Unlike DJI's Osmo 360, which adopts a more traditional action camera shape, Insta360 prioritizes versatility tailored for 360-degree photography. It's a style that creators love, and one that sets Insta360 apart from the crowd. Let's talk audio, an area where action cameras have historically struggled. The X5 is expected to debut AI-powered noise reduction, potentially revolutionizing in-camera sound quality. Imagine clearer audio, free from wind and background noise, right out of the camera. This move could bridge the gap between stunning visuals and professional-grade audio, making life easier for creators. Lenses are the most vulnerable part of any 360 camera, and Insta360 has always been ahead of the curve. The X4's removable lens guards were a hit, but the X5 could take it further, possibly with automated protection mechanisms or tougher materials. For creators shooting in extreme conditions, this could mean less downtime and fewer worries about costly repairs. Hardware aside, Insta360's software is a game changer. Their app and editing tools are unmatched, offering AI-driven effects, seamless social media integration, and intuitive post-processing. The X5 is expected to expand on this legacy with advanced reframing tools and even more creative options. While DJI's Osmo 360 might challenge Insta360 here, their ecosystem remains a tough act to beat. For outdoor enthusiasts, GPS is essential. While GoPro has embraced this tech in its Hero series, Insta360 has been slower to integrate it. Rumor has it the X5 might change that, offering location tracking and trajectory visualization tools. This addition could make the X5 an even better companion for adventurers and pros. One of the biggest pain points for 360 cameras is battery life and heat management. The X5 is rumored to address both with improved heat dissipation and longer-lasting batteries. For creators capturing extended footage, this could be a game changer. Pricing is always a critical factor. While nothing is confirmed, analysts speculate the X5 will fall between $450 and $500, keeping it accessible for both hobbyists and professionals. As for the release date, with the X4 dropping in April 2024, many expect the X5 to launch before its rivals. DJI Osmo 360 and GoPro Max 2 make their debut in late 2025. Insta360 isn't entering an empty battlefield. DJI's Osmo 360 promises a fresh take, and GoPro's Max 2 is still lurking as a potential disruptor. But with its proven track record and innovative features, Insta360 has a significant edge. The X5 isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement, one that challenges GoPro's dominance and solidifies Insta360's position as a leader in the 360 space. So, there you have it. The Insta360 X5 is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the 360 camera world. With its rumored sensor upgrade, refined design, groundbreaking audio, and software innovations, it's clear Insta360 is playing to win. Will it live up to the hype? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, The future of 360 cameras has never been more exciting. What do you think? Could the X5 dethrone GoPro? Or is the competition still too close to call? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more camera breakdowns.